Welcome back to 2230, your source for in-depth analysis of Asian news and politics. Today, we're diving into a heated debate that took place in the Singapore Parliament regarding the suspension of Transport Minister Mr. S. Iswaran. Make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more engaging content on Asian politics. In this intense parliamentary showdown, Pritam Singh, the leader of the opposition representing the Workers' Party, squared off against the Progress Singapore Party, or PSP, over the motion to suspend Mr. Iswaran amid allegations of corruption. Let's break down the key points and provide some context for this high-stakes political drama. The motion, proposed by PSP's Hazel, called for the suspension of Mr. Iswaran while investigations into corruption allegations were ongoing. Pritam Singh, in his capacity as the Workers' Party chief, vehemently opposed this move. His primary argument was centered on the principle of the rule of law. Singh stressed that it would be unfair and premature for Parliament to pass judgment on Mr. Iswaran before the wheels of justice had fully turned. He pointed out that doing so would overturn the electoral mandate given to Mr. Iswaran by the people through the ballot box. Singh raised two crucial issues for Parliament to consider. Whether it's fair to suspend a duly elected member of Parliament before due process is concluded. What Parliament should do when an MP has been interdicted from their duties due to actions taken by their party leader. It's important to note that both Singh and his colleague Mr. Faisal Menap are currently under investigation themselves in relation to a separate complaint, adding an extra layer of complexity to this debate. While Singh argued against suspending Mr. Iswaran from Parliament, he suggested that suspending the payment of the MP allowance could be considered. He highlighted concerns among the public regarding Mr. Iswaran continuing to collect his allowance despite his absence from parliamentary and constituency duties. Singh didn't stop there. He grilled the leader of the House with several crucial questions. Did Mr. Iswaran have access to the Public Service Division's Member of Parliament appeal system? Was he expected to assist his constituents in his capacity as an MP? Did the motion contemplate a clawback of Mr. Iswaran's MP allowance for the period during which he had not performed MP duties? Ms. Indrani Raja, the leader of the House, acknowledged the challenges in implementing some of these proposals. She pointed out that the existing law lacked provisions for suspending allowances, adopting a binary approach where a sitting MP receives the full allowance, while a suspended member receives none. Raja advocated for waiting until the investigation concluded to determine the appropriate course of action. She explained that a decision would be revisited when the Attorney General's chambers revealed whether they intended to bring charges against Mr. Iswaran and, if so, the nature of those charges. It's also worth noting that if Mr. Iswaran is charged, the Prime Minister, who is also the ruling party chief, may consider making him resign and pay back both salary and allowance without waiting for the legal process. This action would be grounded in the PAP's party discipline. So, what are your thoughts on this parliamentary debate? Do you believe that suspending an MP's allowance is a fair measure in such cases? Or should the rule of law always prevail? Leave your comments down below, and let's have a constructive discussion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 2230 for more in-depth coverage of Asian news and politics. Thanks for tuning in.